Guys, it's me, Risa. How you doing? I hope you're doing well. I hope you're staying on this journey. And thank you so much for subscribing, telling people. I love all the comments. You know that. Anyways, let's start. I'm going to teach you how to make an individual lasagna in a mug. You know, you have the leftover sauces and you think, okay, what can I do with it? So I'm going to teach you. And the thing is, sometimes when we make a big amount, we eat a big amount, and sometimes we just want an individual portion. I'm not saying that you can't double, triple, or whatever, quadruple this recipe, but for now, I had some leftover sauce, some marinara sauce with some chicken meat in it, and it's about a cup and a half of sauce. You can check out my marinara sauce recipe on YouTube, and you could add some chicken, some turkey meat, some beef if you want it, just to count for the smart points. You can add veggies. You can do whatever you want. All right? Super easy, ridiculously easy recipe. Now, one of my favorite pastas that I found, it's called Half the Calories, All the Taste, okay? You can find whatever pasta that you like. This is the light rotini, and for 2 ounces, it comes out to a cup, even over a cup. And what I do is I just take my scale and I just put it on ounces, and I just measure it, okay? So put it on ounces and just put it on. If you have a little bowl, put it on and just measure it like that. And then I boil it up, and you know, however you like it really well cooked, really soft, or a bit al dente, you can do that. And I just had this mug. It's I guess my husband's dad, my daughter bought. All right, moving on, for the important part is the cheese too, right? So you have your marinara, you have your pasta, and then you need your cheese. Again, you can use whatever cheese you have or like, or, you know, find that's low fat. Now I buy, sorry I've ripped it, but it's the Saputo light mozzarella, okay? I get this huge large one here in Canada. I usually find it on sale, this big 700 grams for $8. Yeah, it's a good price, and it lasts us a long time. So for 30 grams, I'm just going to check, 30 grams is 2 smart points. And I just use my little grater and I just measure out. You can put in as much as you want, but again, remember, it's an individual portion, okay? And that's going to be 2 smart points. My other cheese that I really love, and it comes in different flavors, is my ZERTO, okay? For 6 tablespoons is 4 smart points. We're going to use 3 tablespoons for 2 smart points. So for the cheese is 4 smart points. And I forgot to tell you how many smart points. It's only 3 smart points. Now you can again find whatever pasta you like, but I love this because it's so low and you get quite a bit. You can see that, right? And depending on how you make your marinara, okay, then you may have to count for the points for that, all right? If you're just using tomatoes in a can and you're making your own like I've made, it's 0 smart points, okay? The chicken meat, the turkey meat is 0 smart points. The veggies, 0 smart points. I know. So this whole recipe in this little mug is going to be 7 smart points. And you're just going to layer it. So you're just going to, let me make sure you can see. I'm going to start with some sauce. Okay? And I'm just going to put some sauce in. If you want to use like a little individual bowl, you can do that. But I'm just using a mug because I love everything in a mug. Soup in a mug. And I'm just going to add some of my pasta. I'll add a little bit more sauce. And then, oh, I know what I need to do. I'm going to measure out 2 tablespoons of my ZERTO. I love Romano. It comes in Parmesan. It comes in Asiago. It comes in 4 cheese. So you can get whatever kind you like. I'm going to sprinkle some of that in. A little bit of my mozzarella that I just put in a container. Add some more pasta. Just going to layer it like you do a lasagna. Hence the name. So I'm going to add another couple of tablespoons. A little bit more cheese. I'm going to save a lot for the top because that's how I like it. More pasta. I told you guys this is so ridiculously easy. And if you have the pasta that's already hot and you have the sauce that's already hot, all you're going to do is microwave it and then melt the cheese because everything's cooked, right? So that's the beauty too when you're in a hurry. So I'm just going to add more sauce, a couple more tablespoons, more pasta, a little bit more cheese because I like it cheesy. And you get so much cheese with these brands. And I'm going to add the rest of my pasta on top. Look at it's filling this huge mug. For 7 smart points. I'm so excited. And add more sauce on top. And then of course I'm going to just put tons of cheese on top. Lots and lots and lots. And if you like more cheese in the middle, you can add more cheese in the middle. And then you're going to microwave it. If you like cottage cheese, if you like cream cheese or ricotta, you can add that as well, okay? So, oh my goodness, this is so dirty. Oh well, that's okay. I'll go this way. And you have it, and you just microwave it for a few minutes, okay? And it'll get nice and hot and delicious, and that's the recipe. Simple, easy, fast, individual portion, 7 smart points for the whole thing, the way I make it, okay? And depends on what you use. Make sure you check your nutritional value to get the right amount of smart points if you're on Weight Watchers. Okay, so I'm going to be having this for dinner, and I'm not microwaving it now because I'm going to have it after. But you know how to microwave. Just a couple of minutes. Check it. If it looks like it's well done, I do like probably 2 minutes at a time and check it. But it won't take long, especially if your pasta and your sauce is already hot. Easy, fast, delicious, 7 smart points. And you can have it with a salad. You can have kale chips with it. I love kale chips. That's why I'm mentioning it, because I'm going to have kale chips later. Veggies and dip. Or you can just have a nice Caesar salad or a regular side salad with this. And it's a full meal under 10 smart points, okay? Which is great for a dinner. And it's going to be super filling as well. Okay, I hope you love this. Continue to subscribe. Oh, what's in the back here? My muffins. I just made these chocolate banana muffins. Chocolate chip banana. Chocolate. And you can check that out. And that's it. So just thought I'd throw that in because I was making that as well. I hope you love this recipe. Take care. Bye for now.